Hello friends, in this video we will learn about mesothelioma settlement and verdicts. The average mesothelioma settlement is between $1 million and $1.4 million. The average mesothelioma trial verdict is $2.4 million, and asbestos settlement provides guaranteed compensation and is usually not taxable under federal law. What is the difference between mesothelioma settlement and verdicts? So, a mesothelioma lawsuit may end with settlement or a verdict. A settlement is an agreement that the parties to a lawsuit come to among themselves. The details of a settlement agreement are often kept private. Settlements may occur before, during, and sometimes even after trial. A verdict is a decision made by a judge or jury at the end of a trial. The decision determines a company's asbestos liability. Accepting a mesothelioma settlement offered by an asbestos company provides guaranteed compensation. A settlement is given in exchange for the patient or their loved ones agreeing to end a lawsuit. Those who win at trial usually receive higher mesothelioma compensation than those who settle, but they also risk receiving no compensation if they lose at trial. Understanding mesothelioma settlement versus verdicts. So, what are settlements? The parties to a lawsuit come up with an agreement to end a lawsuit. Can occur before, during, or after a trial. An asbestos company offers a settlement amount for an asbestos victim or their loved ones to accept, counteroffer, or reject. An accepted settlement is guaranteed compensation. So, what are verdicts? A judge or jury makes a decision about a case to end a lawsuit. Only occurs at the end of a trial. A judge or jury determines the amount of compensation that an asbestos company owes an asbestos victim or their loved ones. Asbestos victims may not receive compensation if they lose at trial. Mesothelioma lawsuits settlements average $1 million to $1.4 million. Mesothelioma verdicts average $2.4 million. Actual compensation amounts vary from case to case. A trial, judges, and juries consider several factors to determine the awarded amount. These factors may include treatment related costs, loss of income, and accounting for pain and sufferings. The time it takes to receive a mesothelioma lawsuit payout varies. Depending on the outcomes of the case, it may take anywhere from a few months to over a year. Mesothelioma settlement amounts. In many cases, mesothelioma patients or their loved ones may receive a settlement of $1 million or more. A settlement provides guaranteed compensation that may be paid within a few months of settling. Asbestos settlements are usually not taxable under federal or state tax laws. Another way to receive compensation is from a trial verdict decided by a judge or jury. A judge or jury verdict may result in higher compensation than a settlement would. But if a patient or their family members lose at trial, they may not receive any compensation. Mesothelioma lawsuit settlement amount vary from case to case. Different factors may affect compensation, including medical expenses and exposure history. Average mesothelioma settlements. The average mesothelioma settlement amount is between $1 million and $1.4 million. The average verdict amount is $2.4 million. Settlements are usually not subject to federal or state taxation. Actual settlement amount vary from case to case. An asbestos attorney can explain what compensation a victim may expect from a mesothelioma lawsuit based on the facts of their case.